remember when this was all dirt.
There's new house. Nice.
What you see back here? That's that house. Yeah. That little head right there. Bizarre. Red Shoulder Drive. We looked at houses on here too. That house right there, the block cabinet. One bad thing about being on these small lots on the hill like this, you can get floods in the basement. It's not landscaped, right? Views right there. Can't see it now, but they have view of all of the Weber County area. But they also have view of the dump. Private community. Residents only.
Kids there.
There's a house for sale.
Nice house here.
You like it?
Oh, garbage there. I like this house, honey.
Red Shoulder Drive again.
Yep.
Yeah, there's the house we could have bought.
Yeah.
Could have put a rambler on it too. Like that. That's a
Yep.
3-car garage rambler. That end. Future growth.